Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be able to know whenever we post a new video. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how I created this beautiful keepsake jar for our newest candle in our Imania by Design home collection. Created it using permanent vinyl and rhinestones, and here you will see me taking each layer of the permanent vinyl. I already had our Cricut machine to cut out the permanent vinyl, and this particular design, this image has 4 layers, so I am just putting those layers together just like a puzzle on what is called transfer paper. And so what I'm going to do is use the smoothing tool, and it is going to actually transfer that image and put it all together for me so that I can apply it directly to the candle. So I am taking this candle and I am spraying the outside with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue, any fingerprints, any oils, any wax, so that we've got a good surface for that image to stick to. Just doing a little measurement to make sure that I don't place the image too far up, and I am removing that. See, it's all one piece now, and I am applying that to the outside of the candle, making sure it's down really tight. Okay, this came out nice and smooth, so I'm happy with that. Now you might notice that on the back of it I did have I had already put the word blessed in red glitter vinyl on the back, but as I worked with it, I kind of didn't like that, so you'll see me change that out here in a little bit. So what I'm doing now is I am using gold rhinestones to create her hair. So the size that I'm using now, the larger one is size SS20s, and then I went down to SS10s to just fill in the remaining tiny bits of vinyl that were left at the top of her hair. Okay, making sure that we cover that black vinyl adequately. So I have already cut the word blessed out in, I decided to use the color, it's a bronzy gold, the same color that I used for her skin, and I figured that this color would make the word blessed pop more on that black background. So I went ahead and weeded that out, and I am putting that on transfer tape so it comes off as one piece, so it's easier for me to place on the candle. So I'm just doing a quick eyeball measurement to kind of check my placement. Went ahead and used the alcohol to get any residue off, and now I'm smoothing that down, and voila, blessed. Alright, so that portion of the candle is complete, and I am much more happy with that look. So I'm using Aleene's Fast Tacky Glue and Starcraft permanent vinyl. Okay, and we went ahead and cut out a piece of vinyl that would fit on top of the top of the jar, and then we're just going to decorate that with rhinestones. And I'm just following the pattern, the Kente pattern that is right on the pattern itself already. No need to reinvent the wheel here, just following the lines here, just to give the top a bit of a sparkle with that backdrop of the Kente that matches her beautiful head wrap. I wasn't really sure quite how many rhinestones I was going to use. Sometimes when I'm creating, I just kind of play it by ear, and I thought that I might just stop right here with the top portion. But I took a look at it and I was like, let's keep going. Went ahead and checked it. Yeah, it looks good, but I think we can keep it going. Alright, so I went ahead and applied a rhinestone to the top edge as well to try to finish that look out. And so again, when you are creating, just keep an open mind. Sometimes you just have to think out of the box, and when you just kind of let yourself go sometimes and think out the box, nice things can come out of it. And if it doesn't work, well, you know that you take a different route the next time. Just finishing up here. I love that Aleene's Fast Tacky Glue. It is glue that dries clear and it holds permanent, so it's really nice. There aren't any fumes or anything to have to deal with. It still stays nice and pliable. You'll see I'm able to go through and just move stones as needed. Alright, and here's the finished product. Dries nice and clear. This again is from the Imania by Design Home collection, and we appreciate you watching. Make sure you visit our website at www.imaniabydesign.com. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you check us out. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you click on that notification bell so you'll know when we're posting. See you next time.